People think yawning means you're tired. That's a lie we've told ourselves for centuries. Long before modern science, soldiers yawned before battle. Prisoners yawned before execution. Even animals yawn seconds before danger strikes. Because yawning isn't sleepiness, it's your brain sounding an alarm. When your brain temperature rises or focus drops, it forces your mouth open, pulls in cold air, floods the brain with oxygen, and snaps your awareness back online. A biological reset switch. That's why yawns spread through crowds. One yawn triggers another. Not boredom, synchronization. A silent signal saying, stay alert. Your body doesn't yawn when it's done. It yawns when it needs you ready. So next time you yawn, don't fight it. Your brain might be preparing you for something you don't see yet.